All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're looking at declaring variables and then printing them out. And these are very common. We're going to use the letter X as our variable name, and we're just going to say that that is going to be equal, let's just say to 10. Okay, so X is our variable, and it's going to take on the value of 10. Very straightforward, very common in a lot of programming languages. Nothing unique there. As we want to print that variable, okay, so we're going to go ahead and say cout, and as we talked about previously, we're using the using namespace standard up here, so we don't have to include it at the beginning of this. And we're just going to say that X is equal to, and then you're just going to go ahead and print X. Now, the unique part for C++ obviously is you just have the brackets here and here. Other programming languages use plus for like concatenate. If we're going to concatenate literal text that's right here with a variable, but that's essentially how this functions in C++, is it allows us to concatenate this text with this variable. And then you don't have to do anything with the variable in terms of like some languages like Python. You might have to convert this to a string. You don't have to do that with C++. You just go ahead and keep that variable name right there, and it will go ahead and print that off. And so again, we're just declaring our variable up here, and then we're going to go ahead and print that out and say that X is equal to, and then print out the value that's in X. So let's go ahead and run that. Let's see. Oh, goodness. X is an integer. Yes, okay. So we do have to declare, what type of information is there. Goodness. Always seem to everybody makes mistakes, So it's an integer. We're going to name it X, and it's going to take on the value of 10, and then we're going to go ahead and print that off. Let's go ahead and try it now. And there we go. Okay, so this is our, X is equal to, that's what this is right here. And then we're going to go ahead and print that 10, and that's right there. Okay. All right. Hopefully this helps you, and good luck with your coding.